Good afternoon, my name is Tom. Get yourself a cup of coffee. This is my great nephew. It's his turn to go hunting. This is the youth weekend for hunting, yesterday and today. So we're out today, we're looking for ruffled grouse, gray squirrel, red squirrel, rabbits, anything that he can have some fun with. We stopped, you'll see it in the video, we stopped, we had some lunch. We've shot the gun, so he's proficient with his gun now, so let's go see if we can turn that into something. I know a lot of you are waiting for the moose hunt that we just did, but I'm still working on the editing. Family stuff comes first, and before I can edit the stuff I came home with from the moose hunt, I need to take my great nephew out and do a little hunting. So family first, family first, family first. So anyways, have a cup of coffee. Hello to everyone that's out there. It's been a busy last 2 weeks. I was completely out of cell phone service during the moose hunt. There was, unless we got up on a high mountain somewhere, there was no cell phone service at all, which is kind of strange for this day and age, but that's the way it was. But we had a great time on the moose hunt, so I'm just working on the, what clips we did get. It was raining, snowing, and all that, so it wasn't a good week for cameras, but we did manage towards the end to have a couple of nice days there. So anyways, so this is my great nephew Jackson, and he learned a new song today. What was that song you learned? Found a peanut. I'll have to do that song. It's a family tradition for my family. Goes back, I don't know how many people have been passing it down. But he learned, found a peanut today. So he's pretty anxious now. He wants to go find himself a squirrel awful bad. Anyways, he's awful talkative too. Aren't you? Oh, how'd you do? Where's your plywood? Go get your plywood. He's got a piece of plywood he's been shooting at, and he did pretty good for his first day with that. I handed him a 22 single shot, and it's probably, I don't know, 30, 40 yards, and he managed to put a couple bullets in it, so that's pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He put 7 in there, and then you'll also see I get a big kick out of blowing up milk jugs, and he took it was filled with water, but he took that water jug and blew the smithereens out of it with a 410 shotgun this morning. So that was pretty fun to do. So anyways, hey, I'll see you guys later. We're gonna go get on the rest of our hunt, but I wanted to work him into a YouTube video because you'll probably see him a little bit in the future. 8 years old, he's coming up with my 4 grandsons, so we'll just throw him in the mix and see what happens. So, have a great day. You keep practicing, you'll get it. All right, keep the gun in a safe direction and do what you just practiced. It's your first hunt, isn't it? This is your very first hunt. All right, go ahead and, did you load the gun? Keep your finger off the trigger. Yep. Hey Jackson, how'd you like that?
Loud.
Go get your milk jug. Show that to your mother. Blew it all to smithereens, huh? All right, so what are we hunting for? Chicken.
Squirrels.
Oh, hold the gun right.
Squirrels.
Throw the milk jug down. Hold the gun right. There you go.
Squirrels. Red squirrels.
Gray squirrels.
Gray squirrels.
Rabbits.
Rabbits and
Partridge.
partridge.
Ruffled grouse.
And ruffle grouse.
We'll see. Let's just go have a good day. All righty. Tell us what you're doing.
Blowing a 308 shell.
Did you find out today that that was a whistle?
Yeah.
Is that the first time you ever heard of that being a whistle?
Yeah.
Could you blow it this morning?
No.
Yeah, show us you can blow it now. Did it call in a squirrel earlier?
Yeah.
It did, didn't it?
But you let it get away.
I didn't let it get away.
Yeah, you did.
You let it get away.
No, you did.
It ran down the tree and said, "Look at me, look at me." And you didn't shoot it? Eric, say hello, Eric.
Huh?
Say hello, Eric.
Hello, Eric.
Eric is in Michigan. He loves to hunt squirrels. Say hi, Eric.
Hi.
Hi, Eric. I'm hunting squirrels. What are you going to teach us?
How to blow with the acorn top.
An acorn? Okay.
You put your knuckles together so there's a little opening, and then you blow on your knuckles.
Very good. You taught me something today. Open your gun. Little bit of target shooting with lunch. That's not bad, is it? All right, keep her empty. Here's your sandwich. It's probably going to be hot.
I shot 6.
Hmm?
I shot 6.
It might be hot.
Yeah.
You want to sit on that bench?
Yeah.
You have a gun. Yep. This is for your mother. Big smile. Pretend you're having fun. Good. So, have a cup of coffee on your way out with me, and I will see you next week.